Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel DB Chetri. This is class 9 ICSE mathematics. We are learning 5 chapters, factorizations, last exercise 5e. Today's sessions we are going to learn question number 10 and question number 14. Before going to start these sessions, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates video, please click bell icon. If you want to see others video, please click I button and go through the playlist. Now let's start today's session. Factorizations. Question asks to do the factorization in the simple language. Factorization means taking common numbers or alphabet out of the group is called factorizations. Okay, I'll explain by solving these questions. Okay, now, and remember, this is the last exercise of these chapters, and this is a combination of the process of all the exercise. That means exercise 5a, 5b, 5c, 5d. Then if you go through all these exercise, then only you'll understood to solve this kind of questions. You can't understood directly this one. So okay, if you miss all this video, please go through the others video. It is there in the playlist. Okay, now before going to solve these questions, please check the what kind of factorization equation is there. If there is any possible to replace by formula, it is there any possible to substitute by the any letters, because if the expression is very large, we can replace same terms by the letter to convert into simple form. Okay, let's see the question. What kind of question is this one? Let me start. A square minus a, then 4a square minus 4a minus 5 minus 6 there. Now look at here. This is a very big large expression is there. If you multiply with this a square and a, it's coming to large expression, and which is very difficult to solve the questions. Okay, yeah, you can solve, but it takes times to get the answer. That's why to convert into simple form, if there is any same expression is there, any same term is there, we can replace by single letter. Okay, let's see if the same term or same expression is there or not. Now look at here. A square minus a is there. Can you form a square minus a here? Yes. Look at here. How? Because they have both the number contain 4 is there, and we can take this 4 as a common. After taking this 4 as a common, what is left? A square minus a. That means we can, after taking common also, if the expression comes same, then we can replace that expression by the single letter to convert into simple form. Okay. Now let's see. A square minus a, then we are going to take 4 from here. After taking 4 common, what is left from here? We are from these two terms only, not from this 5. Okay, a square and minus a and minus 5. Now look at here. Now these two expression is same. Okay, and two expression is by any letter to convert into simple form. Now we are going to replace, put a square minus a by x. Now we are going to putting a square minus a by x. That means this is replaced by x, and this expression is also replaced by x. Okay, if the same expression is there, we can replace by any letter to convert into simple form. Now we are replacing this a square minus a by x. That means x, then 4 a square minus a x minus 5, now 6. Now equation is now expressions come into simple form. Now it is easy to multiply also. Then now take this x to multiply to both. Okay, take this x and multiply to both. Plus multiply plus is there, always sign is there in front of the number. Okay, there is no sign means plus sign. Plus multiply plus is plus. X multiply 4x, 4x is square, plus multiply minus minus. X multiply 5, 5x minus 6. Now expression converted into trinomial form. Trinomial means there are 3 terms. Okay, and there is a method to solve the trinomial factorization, and which is very important for higher educations. Okay, and higher classes. Okay, there is a very important. That's why please go through the exercise 3 5 5 C, I think it's there. Just check the because one whole exercise is trinomial factorization there. That is very important. Now, according to the trinomial factorization process, we'll always multiply the coefficient of variable square with constant term. Okay, always multiply the coefficient of variable square with the constant term. Then 4 6 are 94. Okay, after getting the product, just get their factors. Okay, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. So now write all the factors. 2 2 2 3 1. Now by taking all these factors, make two numbers. Okay, make two numbers whose sum or difference, must be coefficient of middle number. Okay, what number is there? 5. Now make two numbers multiplying each other. After making two numbers, their sum or difference must be 5. Okay, let's take this product of these three numbers. How much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and the product of these two number 3. Then how to get the 5? By adding or by subtracting? If you subtract 8 minus 3, 5. That means now 8 minus 3 equals to 5. That means it is now middle term is splitting as 8 minus 3. Now replace this middle term by 8 minus 3. Okay. Now let me do here. 4x square, then minus, in place of 5 split as 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, always use the bracket. Then what is there? X, don't forget to write this x. Then minus 6. Now after splitting, just take this sign and multiply with x. Okay, now 4x square minus plus, sign is always in front of the number, minus plus, minus 8 multiply x, 8x, minus minus plus 3 multiply x, 3x, minus 6. Now make the group of 2 and try to take the common. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s 8. That means 4 is a common. Both the number is multiple of 4 and x is common. Okay, there's 2x, x square is there, and then one single x is there. That means we always will take the minimum as common. Okay, that means we are going to take 4x as common. Then what is left from here? After taking 4x common, one more x is left. Then minus 4, how much is 8? 4 to the 8, and we already took this x as common. Then plus, now check, anything is common there. Okay, both number is multiple of 3. That means we are going to take the 3 as common. Then x is left, and 3, how much is 6? 3 to the 6. Now check that terms within the bracket are same or not. If they are same, that means our middle term splitting is right. Okay, otherwise we will make some more mistakes. That means our factorization is right. Now take the same term as common. Now take the same term as common, and we are taking the same term as common, x minus 2. Then what is left from here? 4x. Then what is left from here? 3. Now after completing the factorizations, now replace this x by its value. Okay, to replace this x by its value. Now we are going to replace this x. What is the x? X means a square minus a. Now we are going to replace this x. A square minus a minus 2. Now similarly, 4, in place of x, what to write? A square minus a square minus a, then plus 3. Now a square minus a minus 2, then take this 4 and multiply to both. 4a square minus 4a plus 3. This way we have to do the factorization. Again trinomial is there. Okay, again trinomial is there. If possible, then you can factorize. How to check whether this trinomial factorization is possible or not? We did in the previous exercise. Just check it. Okay, if the further factorization is possible, then we have to do the factorization again to complete the expressions. Okay, to completely factorize the equations. Okay, now from there your homework, if this is a possibility, then if you don't know the how to check whether this factorization is possible or not, please go to the previous video. It is there in the playlist. Okay. Okay, now let me do next questions. Before that, let me drop this board. Now next question, question number 14. If the expression is very large or weak expression, if the same term is there, okay, the same term is there, same term can be replaced by any letter to convert the expression into simple form. Now this 2x minus 3y is there. If it is possible, let's take first common. Okay. After taking common, if both the expressions come same, then we can replace by any letter to convert into simple form. Let's try it. Okay. 4 2x minus 3y whole square, then minus 8x plus 12y minus 3. Now let's see these two terms. Anything is common? 8 and 12 is there. 8 is a multiple of 4 and 12 is also multiple of 4. That means we can take 4 common from there. And 4 2x minus 3y whole square minus 4. 4 how much is it? And why are you taking minus as common? Because this is minus and very important, please take care of it. Minus plus 4 how much is 8? 4 2 is 8x minus plus minus 4 how much is 12? 4 3 is 12y minus 3. Now these two expressions are same. These two terms are same. Now we can replace by a single letter to convert into simple form. Okay, let's replace it. Put 2x minus 3y by any simple letter. Okay, let's use a. We can use any letter to replace it. Okay, now 2x minus 3y is replaced by a. That means this is 4 and this is a square. Then minus 4 and this is also a minus a. Now question converted into simple form, and there are three terms. It is called trinomial. We use the trinomial factorization process to factorize it. Okay, then what is the process? Always multiply the coefficient of variable square and constant term. Their product is how much? 12. 4 3 is 12 and get the factors. 2 6 2 3 3 1. Then write all the factors. Then make the two numbers. Okay, make the two numbers and they are different, or sum must be this middle one. Okay, let's take this. 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 6 and 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. Okay, then if you're not coming once, you have to change the numbers. Okay, and this is 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Now 4, this is split as 6 minus 2. Now replace this 4 by 6 minus 2. This is a process of factorization. Middle term is splitting. Okay, of trinomial function. Trinomial means 3 terms. Okay, in place of 4, what to write? 6 minus a. 6 minus, not 6 minus a, 6 minus 2. Then a is there, minus 3. Now take this minus and multiply with a. Okay, minus sign is very dangerous and sign is always in front of the number. Now 4 a square minus plus minus 6 multiply a is 6a minus minus plus 2 multiply is 2a minus 3. Now make the group of 2 and take common. Okay, make the group of 2 and take common after splitting the middle term. Now look at here. 4 is multiple of 2, 6 is multiple of 2. That means we can take 2 as common and both the numbers contains a. Now we are going to take the 2a as common. Now we are taking 2a as common. Then 2 multiply how much is 4? 2 2 is 4 and one more a is left because square is there. And 2 multiply how much is 6? 2 3 is 6a. We already took as common. Okay. Then in this case there is no common. If there is no common, always take 1 as common. Okay, if there is no common, always take 1 as common. Then we are taking 1 as common, and after taking 1 multiply how much is 2a? 1 multiply 2a is 2a. Then 1 multiply 3 is 3. Now check both the terms are same or not. If the both the terms are same, that means our factorization is correct. Now take this same term as common. Okay, take this same term as common. That means 2a minus 3 is common. Then what is left from here? 2a, and from here plus 1. Now factorization is complete. Now substitute the value of a. What is the value of a? 2x minus 3y. Now replace this a by its value, 2x minus 3y. Okay, a means 2x minus 3y. Now replace it to, in place of a, 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. Okay, then what is there? Minus 3. Then similarly to, in place of a, 2x minus 3y. Then what is there? Plus 1. Now take these two and multiply to both the terms. 2 2s are 4x minus 2 3s are 6y minus 3. And 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y plus 1. Now factorization is complete. Okay, this way you have to factorize. For this it requires little bit practice. Okay, after going through this video, please try to practice all those questions after practicing, because it depends on your hard work. Okay, hard this work. Okay, and now we'll meet in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and practice.